Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up rebuilding credit with responsible utilization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding credit is crucial for financial health. First, check your credit report for free. Visit annualcreditreport.com to access your reports from the 3 major bureaus. Review the information carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. If you find errors, dispute them promptly with the credit bureau. Next, familiarize yourself with your current credit score range. Know the factors that affect your credit score, such as payment history and credit utilization. Now, make timely payments on your existing debts. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you don't miss due dates. Consider using a secured credit card to build your credit history. A secured credit card requires a deposit, which usually serves as your credit limit. Use this card for small purchases, ensuring you keep your balance low. Make sure to pay off your balance in full each month. This responsible utilization is key to improving your credit. Aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit at any time. Keep your credit utilization ratio low, this positively impacts your score. Avoid opening multiple new accounts at once, as this can negatively affect your score. Focus on maintaining a mix of credit types if possible, such as revolving and installment accounts. Ask for credit limit increases on existing accounts to help reduce your utilization ratio without increasing spending. Monitor your credit score regularly through free services or apps. This will help you track your progress and stay motivated. Be patient, rebuilding credit takes time and consistent effort. Stay informed about credit management strategies to continually improve your score. Remember, good credit opens doors to better loan terms and lower interest rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.